Hello again, everybody. Here's a card trick that I uploaded about a year and a half ago, but I deleted it, and I'm showing it to you again because I think this is a brilliant variation of the out of this world card trick. What I have here are three predictions that I have written on the back of these off-centered blue cards, so we'll get to these in a moment. And I'm going to show you the trick, and then I'll show you how it's done. We're going to hand the deck to the spectator, and we're going to have them deal out four piles. And we're going to mix the cards in a strange way. We're going to have them set the cards down anywhere they like in each of these four piles, and we're going to tell them to just deal the cards out. They can deal 3 cards at a time, they can deal 4 cards at a time, they can go 1 at a time. But as long as they try and make 4 piles that are pretty equal size, they can just deal the whole deck out just like that. Now once they've dealt out the 4 piles, they point to any 2 piles for us to shuffle. So let's say they point to these 2 piles right here. We give them a nice little riffle shuffle and square it up. And then we take these 2 piles right over here, give them a little riffle shuffle, square it up. And then we take the 2 big piles and just give them a riffle shuffle, and there we go. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to tell the spectator to hold the deck and deal the cards out 1 at a time, right over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wait, stop. Start dealing in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. All right, deal them down over here. You can just put the rest of the cards down over here. Okay, so now you'll agree that you divided the cards into the piles that you wanted. The cards were then shuffled, so they're pretty well mixed up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cards in the center pile. And here is our prediction. 10 red cards, 10 black cards. Let's see. There's 1 black, 2 black, 3 black, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 black cards, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red cards. Well, not that impressive. With 20 cards, the likelihood of 10 red, 10 black is pretty high. But over here, we're predicting 16 black cards. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 black cards. And our prediction over here is 16 red cards. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 red cards. So here's how you do the trick. What you're going to do is set up the cards with the black cards on the bottom of the deck, and your prediction of 16 black cards is going to be, you don't have to write it on the back of this card, but you could write it on a piece of paper because you don't want to waste blank face cards like I do. So then you're going to have a prediction of 10 red, 10 black, and then you're going to have a prediction of 16 red. So now you start the trick off where you can do some false shuffles, false cuts. One of the ones I did was the mishmash shuffle, where you just looks like you're just mixing them together and messing them up, but you don't. You can do a couple of false cuts just like this, as long as you keep all the red cards on the top and the black cards on the bottom. Now what you're going to do, so you got all the red cards on the top and the black cards on the bottom. Now you're going to tell the spectator to deal out 4 piles. Now no matter how they deal the piles out, and you want them to try and do it evenly, because you want about 13 cards in each pile. So you're going to tell them they can go 3 at a time, 2 at a time. They can just go up and back, as long as they deal them any way they want. So they'll feel that they're pretty much mixing the cards pretty well, because all the piles are now randomly separated. Now what you're going to do is you're going to ask them to point to 2 piles, and you're going to riffle shuffle the first 2 piles. Now you want to do this pretty well. You want to do a nice riffle shuffle so the trick works. So you get a good riffle shuffle there, and you get a good riffle shuffle with these 2 piles right here. And the trick will work every time if you do nice clean riffle shuffles. They don't have to be perfect, and then you just shuffle the 2 packs together just like that. So now what you've just done is you've gotten the top 16 cards to be black, the bottom 16 cards to be red, and the 10 red, 10 black in the middle. So what you're going to do is you're going to tell the spectator to start dealing down cards. Don't count out loud, but count to yourself. So when they get to 16, you say stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Stop. Move to the center, and when they deal 20 cards, after the 20th card, you say stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and they could put the remaining cards, which are 16, right here. Now what you want to do is right here you have a mixed jumble of red and black, but sometimes if you do a really good riffle shuffle, you'll have 10 red on top of 10 black. So before you reveal these cards, you might want to give them a little mix. Show that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 cards. And then show your first prediction is 10 red, 10 black. And then you show you have 2 black, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 black, and 10 red. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red, 10 black. And over here we have all black cards, and over here we have all red cards. So this is a pretty cool variation of the Out of This World trick, which I do not have a tutorial on that trick, but it's all about dividing the red and black cards. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you next time.